Hey yo, it's me again. And today we're gonna do another gadget unboxing plus unboxing my birthday gift. XD. Okay, also make sure to smash that like button and slap the subscribe button. Slap it, but don't break a phone or TV. Okay? And also make sure to share with your friends. They're like, hey yo, I'm turning cooler instead of feeling very hot in the sweaty room. Ew. So, guys, let's get on to the video. Wrong side. Video.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's today we're going to unbox new packages. Yeah, I said packages, not only this one, but plus bonus my presents. You're like, I can't shout. Is it Christmas presents? It's not Christmas presents. It's not even Christmas yet. So it's actually my birthday presents. Tomorrow's my birthday and why not celebrate it early? So today we're gonna unbox new packages plus my birthday presents. So let's start. Okay, I guess we gotta cut like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, don't do this at home. This is not meant for kids. Oh my hand. Okay. Oh my god, my hands are bleeding. Okay, think we made it to the middle. Time to do the other side. Okay, think I did it.
One eternity later.
Oh, a lamp. Let's read the description of this. By one touch, it changes color. I don't know the name, so basically it's a LED lamp. So it's a Bluetooth speaker with LED lights and lamp. So let's dive into the box. So let's unbox this. Oh, they left it open. I don't really know, but so this is how you open it. It's why does this always happen to me? Okay, so let's see. Oh, it starts off with white, and here's the wires to charge it, I think. So yeah, here are the wires. I'm not gonna untie that. So I don't know how this really works, but it's a LED lamp that has LED lights in it, and the Bluetooth speaker, and basically you can play any song, and your favorite song, Hush, literally any song that you could think of, like let it go into the unknown. Wait, the product went down there. Not a one. So let's move on to the highlights of the products. Anyways, first one, wireless Wi-Fi speaker light. USB rechargeable. It's portable with TWS, which is awesome. Okay, smart and easy to use, which is very cool. Connect it with your Bluetooth device and enjoy your favorite music or any kind of music you like. And it's also hands-free call, which is absolutely the best thing ever. Oh, it also has touch sensor, and I'm going to show you how. It also has 7 colors like the rainbow, which is awesome. And it also comes with 7 different kind of colors, and it's like a rainbow too. Close enough, at least. I'm so happy that it comes with 7 colors like the rainbow. I'm so happy about it. Hey, yo. And it also has 3 levels of brightness, so that you could see probably in the dark and won't see scary devils or anything. And it also has dynamic light mode. I don't know why it's touching the bottom of this. XD. This is the best speaker for using audiobooks and music. Music is my favorite. If you're an audiobook lover, you're gonna love this product. If you're an audiobook lover, you're gonna love this. Okay. It is a very good option for your table lamp. It is a very good option for your table lamp. Of course it is. I'm so excited to see all these scent colors on this lamp. I never knew this was even a lamp. So are you guys excited to see all the scent colors too? Let's move on to the demo of this. Yay! Okay, let's move on with the first demo. I don't know why I said that because I don't know. So here's the power button. It might be hard to see, but it's right here. So I'm gonna on it, and let's make the Bluetooth speak.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So if you tap on it 1, 2, it glows a lot. So this is normal. Wait. So see, if you press twice or tap harder, it'll change colors. So I'm going to show you a demonstration. See, this is normal. This is fully. Okay. So it also changes color. You have to hold tight and then it changes color. So let's count how many colors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, let's check how the music actually sounds like. Of course I'm going to do NCS, one of my favorite songs. So before I do this, actually, do you notice who is this? It's Samsung M51, Galaxy Samsung M51. So if you guys didn't see this video, make sure to check it out. I hope you enjoyed it. The rest of the viewers who already viewed this. So let's start. Which song I should start with? Now let's move on to the second demonstration. And also guys, if you didn't notice, this is my iPhone. Not my iPhone. Hey! It's my Samsung Galaxy M51 phone. And if you didn't see that video, make sure to check it out after this one, of course. So let's choose a song from NCS, of course. This one.
Watching the ocean with you. Pick me up with a slow motion crew. Put me up in the clouds when people change without us. And we just didn't kissed by the sun. Could be sunk to the skin in the mortal. And she got the good vibes when so strange, better thing.
Even though you used to my money,
There's a ruins deep honey. And I don't need to speak cause you know what. Cause you got me
howling. Oh!
Cause you know what. Cause you got me
howling.
Cause you got me howling.
I used to my money.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile. Cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game.
Oh.
Do is say goodbye. Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry. So lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick fly. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize.
Hey yo!
So I leave it all behind.
Hi.
Wanna live a life.
The lights are very cool, and it has a dynamic mode when it sings. You just have to tap it twice, and then it'll have like that dynamic mode. So it's really cool. And also, if you want to buy this so bad, it's actually linked in the description. Hey yo! I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to slap that like button. Don't break your phone or your TV. That is not gonna get fixed probably. And also make sure to smash that subscribe button and also the like button too. And also share with your friends if you love this video so much, and they'll be like, hey yo, this video is so cool. I'm gonna be a cooler instead of a yeah. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And do all those things which I already told you. And make sure you had an awesome day, good night, or day, night, wherever you are. So, bye! See you again!
You're making me strong.